Hey guys, I was sent this one. Looks like it's some kind of fan that I was not really aware of, and I'm gonna unpack it and see what this whole thing is about. And even though maybe some of you might know about it, I did not know about it. Better Tech, Better Life. Yes, that is the box, and this one was sent quite a few days, actually, quite a while ago. A while. By a while, I mean a week and a half. Usually, I don't take more than that to come up with a video after an item is received. It's made by a company called Best Car Fan. It has something here. It's supposed to be USB-C rechargeable. We have this version right here. 5-volt 2 amps, 6 to 24 hours. Charge time 3 to 4 hours, 310 gram, 380. Okay, that's a small fan micro USB, small fan user manual. We have all that, and there's nothing else to do right there but to open it and see what's inside. And yes, I know some of you are wondering, oh, but you have done so many fans. Yeah, it's summer, plus this one was sent to me, so there's nothing I can do, and there's always somebody that wants to see this before they buy it, if it's even worth it. So these videos have a purpose, believe it or not. Okay, here's the fan, and here's our charging cable. I almost said data cable. That would be perfect. Transfer data to your fan. What could go wrong with that? Here, I'm just gonna take this very long USB-C cable. I'm glad they included it actually. And this is actually really nice. It swivels 360 looks like. It goes, I would say, around 30 to 40 degrees tilt. And oh, this one is really strong. This is tough. It looks like you could possibly put it on the car steering wheel if you're parked somewhere, for example. You just need a fan, so you don't want to run the AC while the car is parked. I think this would be good for that, actually, because it has the indentation here. Looks like it would be for that. And here on the back, we have a charging USB-C port. And here's the light when it charges. And here's the dial. It's one of those rotary switches. Yes, it's on off right now. Let's see if it has any charge. Oh yeah, it does. Let me see. Let me put it towards the microphone. Okay, now you don't hear it because it's on low. Let me put it on max. And actually, it has quite some power. I gotta say. It has some power, which I'm very surprised for such a tiny fan. It's rechargeable. Based on the side here, where I see where the battery would go, I would bet this is an 18650 inside. I cannot see it. I'm trying to see through that hole, but you cannot see the battery. I would say there's an 18650 inside, which that is a good thing, because even when this battery just goes to no return, I can replace it, open it up and replace the battery inside, and that's all. And let's see now if it actually charges. I'm gonna use my own charger because it's already plugged. And let me plug it in. And I don't know how this is supposed to work. Let me put it on. Yeah, so it works even while charging. And the battery here, based on the manual, the light here only turns red while charging when the battery's low. When the battery's full, like we have it right now, seems like, it doesn't turn on. That is the indication that you can disconnect the charger, because it's done. And I, in my opinion, think this is actually a pretty good piece to have around. I don't think this is bad at all. Now, I don't know how much they go online, because I just got it, so I have no idea on that information. But it blows, as you see here. And it blows enough to interfere with the microphone. And it's interesting. You know, if you know me for any period of time, you know I would probably take it apart and modify the blades. But this one, I'm going to leave it alone. I'm not going to mess with this one. I'm going to leave it as is. And, oh yeah, I wanted to show you something. A fan similar to this one was featured on Jake's video, by the way. Let me put it right here. This was Jake's video that he did in the unfortunate Titanic expedition. Thank God he did not go down that day that this whole stuff happened. And I'm happy for that, but I'm unhappy what happened besides that. But in any case, here's the fan, which is actually similar to this one that we are watching right here. As you see, it's this one right here, which I thought was very interesting when I saw it. I just saw this video probably a day or two ago. And yes, on Jake's video, I'll leave a link on the description. It's at timestamp 2420. Wow, it's just... Anyway, this is just a part that I caught on that video, and I thought it was interesting that I'm actually happening to review a fan that's similar to that one. And with that said, there's not much more to actually talk about this fan. It's just a fan, rechargeable, and you can take it with you anywhere you want. And with that said, I hope you like this video, and please like and subscribe. We will see you next time. Bye!